What's up, HoJo fam? It is another beautiful day in sunny Southern California.
Oh yeah, and today we are going to be showing you your HoJo room.
Yeah, let's go check out PNK1.
And right here in Building 1 is the Mid-Mod Market. Let's take a look. Oh my gosh, look, they're selling the Ultimate Disneyland Food Guide. It's a pretty good book. You should check it out.
That's a great book. You guys gotta check that out.
It's written by the insiders. That's us.
I do really love it here at the HoJo Anaheim. It is so great.
Especially, I feel like all the time that we're walking here, we're like glaring in the sun, but it's so cool because it's that sunny pretty much any time of year.
I know.
And honestly, one of my favorite parts about this resort is the campus that it's on and the property. It's so nice to just walk through here and see everything.
So just to give you a lay of the land, we just got to this fountain right here, and if we turn left that direction, we get to Castaway Cove.
Exactly.
Yeah, so the water park's right back that way. If you turn right at this fountain, you end up at Building 2 in the garden pool, and Building 1 is back to your right.
But today we're going to Building 3.
Yes, and the iconic orange chair is behind us. So as we head into, oh, Building 3 is this way, my bad. Welcome to room 3101, which is room type PNK1.
This room is awesome. It is unrenovated, but it's so pretty and it's so open, and it is ADA compliant, which is really great.
Because this is the first floor room, it has one of my favorite features, and that is this cute little patio right here with like not a sliding door, but a door. And you get such a spacious patio, which is so fun because you're like right in the sun. You can see Disneyland and Castaway Cove, so life's good.
All right, and when we talk about ADA compliant, what's awesome about this is one of the largest open spaces I've seen. You come this way straight from the bed. Instead of a normal closet with the doors closed, you just get this really massive open space. So there's all this under here. This is a rack for hanging things. And then you can put any stuff up or down. There's a little rack for the suitcase. Just a really huge open space.
What's really cool about this room is that if you are traveling with a family member who needs wheelchair or ADA assistance, and you want to like be sure that you're close with them but staying in a separate room, they have adjoining rooms, so you can be staying in this room over here, which is a normal HoJo hotel room, and then they can be staying in this ADA compliant room, so if they need assistance, you literally have adjoining rooms to come over and help them.
What's awesome about this bathroom, once again, is just how open it is. There's some cool features on the shower, like a seat right there, so you see that. You can sit down in here, and then even this comes off, so the handle is removable. I'm soaked. So you can remove the handle, you can wash off whatever you need here. Put that back, but it's just really big and open. There's really bright lights in here. Yeah, it's a great place to get ready in the morning.
So as you guys saw earlier, they have the Mid-Mod Market where you can pick up cereal or milk or quick food, and you can actually have it here with the microwave or store it in the refrigerator or even have coffee in the morning, which is a huge benefit for my dad. He is a big coffee drinker. So the little kitchenette is perfect, and you get these cute little like orange and blue HoJo cups, which we have a bunch of these at our house because they're adorable. But anyway, I think it's really fun. And then if you guys are into eating on your way out the door, this is a great place to like have a snack.
Another great feature of this room is this cute little like desk area right here. You have a table you can get to work. There's also a table over here. There's a lot of space, like drawers here for you to store stuff. There's tons of power. So like if you're out at the park, power is important because you need your phone, you need all your things. You can charge it right here. And also very cool is every single HoJo's room has an internet TV, so if you wanted to come in and take a nap in the middle of the day, you can watch your favorite streaming shows. It's perfect.
Something else that's awesome about HoJo's is that every room has a safe, which is pretty awesome. You can put any of your valuables in there, your laptop. I think that's really great. And there's also a saying here at HoJo Anaheim, and that is, we strive for 5. So what that means is they want a 5-star review on TripAdvisor or any other platform, and I think the hotel is pretty awesome. If you had a stay that was 5-star worthy, please leave a 5-star review. If there's anything at all that could maybe go better about your trip, be sure to let the front desk know, because they are so eager to help you. The garden pool is so much fun. It is such a good place to hang.
We love it a lot, and I cannot wait to go sit by the pool. It's gonna be so fun.
Always good to relax. This room is so awesome. It's such a great place to hang. Having an ADA compliant room is very important, and it's great that it's here.
We hope that you guys choose Howard Johnson's Anaheim on your next stay in Anaheim, and be sure to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on a video.
Yes, lots of good stuff coming. All right, we're gonna go walk to the park because it's walking distance. It's awesome.
Oh yeah.
I'm Adam.
I'm Kara.
I'm Eric.
And we are
The Insiders, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.